Okay, good morning children. So in the last classes you learned about the Indian place value system, international place value system, all these things. So now what you have to do is, now open your maths notebook and then maths textbook. Okay. Now before that I will tell you one more thing. So before you start in the notebook to write, first I will send you one mind map of this lesson. You have to write in the first page. In the second page, you have to write the Indian place value chart and the international place value chart that is given in the maths textbook. In the third page, you have to start to solve the exercise problems. So now, first you have to open your maths textbook, exercise 1.1, page number 5. Okay? May I start, children? Okay. So now, first question: how many digits are there in the number 40,60,234. Is it written in the Indian or international system of numeration? You know that. It is how many digits? Yes, 7. And then which system it is? Indian. Why? Because here they are grouped the digits 3, 2, 2 like that. So it is a Indian place value chart, means Indian number system. Next, second, how many 2-digit numbers are there in all? So, in a numbers, there are many numbers, correct? So, it starts from the 1 digit, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next will come 10. 10 it is the beginning of the 2-digit number. Okay? So, 2-digit number 10, 11, 12 up to year 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, year till 99. Till 99 it is the 2-digit number. It is not a 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. So here in one line 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 88, sorry 89, 90. Here 110 is there. So there are 92-digit numbers are there. How many? 92-digit numbers are there. Okay. Now let us come to the third question. That is, how many times does the digit 4 occurs in the number between 10 to 100? So here they are asking the number 4, how many times it is coming? From what? From 10 to 100. Not from 1 to 100. From 10 to 100. So here 4 we have to leave here. We cannot count this number because it is before the 10. So here it is the 1, 4, 2, 4. These are numbers. What I am counting for? These are in the ones place. They are in the ones place. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 here. Okay, one more is there. Next one is here 40, here 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these 10, 4 are in the tens place 4. Here 44 is 2 times. So how many 4 are there? There are 19. 19 4s are there. Okay, so there are 19 4s are there here. So this is the third one answer. Second one is, what is the answer? 19. Okay, first one you know that. Next one is fourth one. How many times does the digit 3 occurs? How many times does the digit 3 occurs in the 100 place? In which place? 100 place. In the numbers between 100 to 10,000. 100 to 10,000. So here, if you see the number here, so in a 100 place they told. So 3 number, 3 will come in the 300 first, in a 100 place, correct? Next will come 301, 2, 3, 4 like this, 310, they all are in the 100 place. Next here 10, here 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 like this. Here up to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90, and this one is 100. So totally how many are? They are 100. From 100 to 1000. Because in a 100 place, next will come 400, 500, 600, 700. All are different number, not 3. So up to 1000, if you see here, all are other than 3. Next, when it will come 1100, 1200. Next will come 1300. So 1300 means here 1 will come extra. So in a 100 place they are asking here 100 and 1000, 300, 1000 like this. But in a 100 place, in a 1000, 100 number will come, 1100 to 2000, 100, 2100 to 3000 again 100. So here each 1000 you will get 100 number. So up to 10,000 means how many? There are 1003. 1003. How many it will come? 1000. There are 1000 times the 3 will come. 1000 times 3 will come in a 100 place. That is important. That is important here. 3 will come in a 100 places only. How many times? 1000 times. Okay, understood children? Okay. Next one. These all next one you know very well. Express the following numerals according to the Indian and the international place value system. So here they are given the numbers. You have to put the commas according to Indian system once and then international system once. So separately 2 answers you have to write. Okay. So for each number 2 times. Means Indian system one time, international system another time. Next, 6th one. Express 20 lakh 4008 in the words according to the Indian system of numeration. You have to write how we will read it. Means how I read the number 20 lakh 4008 like this. You have to write in the words. Next, write 769,432,156 in the words according to the international system of numeration. How I write the number in the same way you have to write. How many 4-digit numbers can you form using the numerals 2695 without repeating any digit? So here they told you have to use 2695. By using these 4 digits, you have to make the 4-digit number without repeating any numbers. So I will tell you one method here. Okay, so first what we will do, I will arrange the number in the ascending order. That is 2, 5, 6, 9. Okay, means we should not miss any number. So I will tell you this method. So I will keep these two fixed. These two I will interchange. Means 2, 5, 9, 6. So interchange the number. I will got one more number. Now I will shift this 100 place to the some other number. Okay, so 2, 6, 5, 9. Again 2, 6, 9, 5. Got it? Next 100 place one more number. So 9, 5, 6, 2, 9, 6, 5. Okay, one more is there. That is I will get the next number. Okay, that is 2 should come in the 100 place. Okay, now one more. This is 100 place changing is over now. Now what I will do? I will change the 1000 place now. Here I have written all the numbers. Next 1000 number. So in place of 2 I will take some other number now. That is 5 I will take. Okay, next I will take 2, 6, 9. Now I will fix these 2. 2, 9, 6. Next 5 is fixed here. Now instead of 2 some other numbers. 6, 9, 2, 5, 9, 6, 2, 9. Okay. Next 5, 2 is over, 6 is over. Now I will take 9 in a 100 place. Remaining 2 numbers, that is 2 and 6. 5, 9, 6, 2. Okay. So here I have written the 1000 place 5. Next I will take one more, that is 6. Again I will remaining 3 digit I will write it here. That is 5, 9. Again 2 digit fix 9 2. Next, instead of 5 some other number, that is 6. I will take 2 here and then 5 9 6 2 9 5. Again 6. Instead of these two, next 9 means 2 5 6 9 5 2. Okay. Now 3000 place digit over. Now last one is 9. Should come in the 1000 place. Okay. So in remaining 3 digits, that is 2 6 and then 5. So next 9 2 5 6. Again 9 2. Sorry, 2 is over now. 5 2 6 9 5 6 2. Again 9 6 2 5 9 6 5 2. So here this is the end. These are all our number. If you see here, you covered all the numbers here. You will not miss a single number. So how many numbers you can make here? 3 6 6 4s are 24 numbers. How many numbers you can make? Here 24 numbers without missing a single number. This is the procedure. If you followed, what will happen? You will not miss any numbers. Okay. Let us come to the next question. That is, write the numbers in the expanded form. So here you know that in the 10th question they are given the first question. Like that you have to write the given number in the expanded form. 9th question. First one answer. How you have to write in the expanded form? 10th question first is given. Like that you have to write in the expanded form. Okay. In the 10th one. In the 10th one they are given in the expanded form. Multiply it, write the product and then add it. You will get the answer. I will show you one example here. That is 3 into 10 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 3. So I will multiply first plus 300 plus 3. So this is how I multiply. Now I will add these. Okay. 30, 303. So this is the answer. This is how we have to write the given number. They are given in the expanded form. Next, answer the following questions. How many thousands make lakh? So how to do this? Here, how many thousand? They are asking the thousand. They are given in the lakh. So lakh means how much? This is how we will write the lakh, correct? This is how we will write the lakh. This is lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So how many thousand they are asking? So leave these are ones, tens, 100. These are 1000. So it is 100,000. So the answer is how much? 100,000. Like this you have to write. Okay? Leave this place and 1000 you have to read it together. Okay? How many lakhs make 1 million? So in the last class I explained how to do this one. How many lakhs make 1 million? Means you have to write first 1 million and then change the place value and you will get the answer in the lakh. So how many? That is the 10 lakh. How many millions make 1 crore? Okay, try it here. You have to do all these sums. Okay. So next one is write the numbers in each of the following. So the first one, the smallest 7-digit number. What is the smallest 7-digit number here? That is, we know that this is the smallest 7-digit number. That is 10 lakh. That is 10 lakh. Okay. Next, the smallest 5-digit number that does not change even if the digits are reverse order. If we write in the reverse order also, the value of the number will not change. So what we have to do? Same. How many 5-digit? Now it is how many? So like this. This is the answer. How many digit? 5 digit. If you write in the reverse order, means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So the same only will come. Next, the smallest and the the digits 3704,108. So you know that you have to arrange the numbers here in the ascending order for the smallest number and then descending order for the greatest number. Okay. Next, the smallest 8-digit number having 3 different numerals. Okay. So that answer is 1000012. How many digits? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number having the different numeral because they have different place values only. Okay. Next, what is the face value of the number 3 in the 35,678? Yes, 3. What is the place value of the number 5 in the number 15,886? 5,000. Find the sum of the place value of the 7 in. Here they have to find the sum of the place value. So here there are 3 sevens are there, right? All the place values of all the 3 7 and then add it. So you will get the sum of the place values of all the 7. Next, find the difference between the place values of the 2 A's. A's are there, 2 are there here. You have to find the difference. Difference means you have to subtract. From the bigger place value, subtract the smaller place value number. Last one, that is the 17. Find the 6-digit number in which. So here first thing remember 6-digit decimal. So I will write here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the this is the number. 6-digit number. Okay. Here they told one rule in which highest place, 1000 place and the ones place. This one, 1000 and the ones place. These all are having the same digit. Same means same number. And their sum is 24. Sum is 24 means adding all the 3 numbers, the sum is 24. So 3 numbers to 1. So 24 equally divide means how much? 8. So here all the numbers are 8 only. Last 1000 and the ones place the number is 8. Because 24 divided by 3. Because 3 numbers we got. So the answer is 8. Okay. Next, the tens place value is 5 less than 1000 place. 1000 place value is how much? 8. 5 less than that means 3. So 3 is in the tens place. Next, the 100 place. This number they are telling now. Place value is twice. The 100 place is twice and the 10,000 place is thrice the tens. This one is twice the tens place. That is twice the tens place means how much? 6. Thrice means 3 times of the tens place. How much it is? 9. So this is the number. Okay, you all understood I think, children. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with me. Okay. So now you have to solve all these problems in your maths notebook clearly, neatly. Okay. And I hope you all